If you are excited to learn about new online accounting software. So here we are. I'm introducing to you Xero accounting software. So let's start. So here's what you'll learn after the series of discussion in Xero. So everything you need to know to become a confident Xero user. Preparing sales invoice, layout, creating and sending invoices, how to create and send quotes to your customer, learn about adding bank and credit card accounts, linking to your Xero account and using Xero bank reconciliation report, all about GST, VAT, sales tax, and Xero, and how to prepare and check, how to set up and run a straightforward payroll in Xero, how to sign up to Xero and get your account quickly set up quickly and accurately, how to enter purchase invoices, including attaching receipts, how to prepare issue purchase order, how to track fixed assets in Xero, and how to create management report. So to continue, let's talk about what is Xero. So Xero is an accounting tool made for non-accountants. Yes, non-accountants. So it's made with a single ledger, multiple bank accounts feed into the software under different account codes, which make the workflow quite different from other accounting tools. And one good thing about Xero is it's user-friendly and intuitive. And Xero is one of the few accounting tools that includes full cycle payroll processing for up to 5 employees at no additional cost. Unlike QuickBooks, its main competitor, it gives you the ability to process payroll check, submit payroll tax payment, and file your payroll tax forms. Another summary about Xero is Xero comes with plenty of financial reporting features, which is extremely important for business of every size. You can customize, generate, and track basically any report you could ever want. Furthermore, one of the Xero's best feature is their open API. If Xero doesn't provide an integration from a service you use, you can hire a developer to create it for you. Xero's documentation is public and robust to help developer link other products. So that's actually the summary about Xero. So note Xero is a tool made for an accountant. So let's proceed. Okay, Xero and not zero. Okay, I've been getting messages about the spelling of Xero and Xero. So these two names are different. Okay, so and it has different use. Xero is the name of the accounting software, and Xero is the number zero. Okay, so let's discuss the Xero features and tools. So features and tools of Xero are bank connections, bank reconciliations, invoicing, inventory, dashboard, Xero expenses, information security, pay bills, projects, mobile app, quotes, reporting, accept payments, purchase orders, multi-currency files, business performance dashboard, contact and smart list, sales tax, VAT, VAT returns, and GST, fixed assets, and search button. So those are some of the features and tools and so much more actually. And they also have 24/7 online support, which is free, right? Next, we'll be discussing about the pricing and subscription of 3 countries. So I'll be discussing Australia, United Kingdom, and US. So the pricing and subscription, Xero subscription are, as you can see in your screen, we have the starter, the standard, and the premium 5. This is for Australian, okay, Australian account, okay. So in the starter, you'll have 5 invoices in quotes, enter 5 bills, reconcile 20 bank transaction, payroll for one person. So if you want optional extras, we have the expenses in the project, So for a standard, we send in this is the one we send invoices and quotes as well. So enter bills, reconcile bank transaction, payroll for two people, other optional extras, and send invoice quotes, enter bills. The only difference here for the premium is that it automates superannuation, and the payroll is up to 5 people, and it handles multiple currency, unlike the two subscription, which is starter and standard. So you can just read it later. And actually, this pricing is, you could also find it online. So, yep. So this is the pricing subscription for US. So we have the early, growing, and established. So it's $9 per month. There's $30 per month and $60 per month. So there you go. You can see the difference. In the early, you'll have 5 invoices and codes, and there are 5 bills to reconcile 20 bank transactions. So further growing, send invoices and codes, enter bills, reconcile bank transactions. So in the early, it states the number of the transaction that you could create. Unlike in growing, this one has unlimited already. So you could send unlimited invoice and codes, unlimited bills that you can enter, and you could you could reconcile unlimited banking transaction. So for the established, I send the same as well. Send invoices and codes, enter bills, reconcile bank transaction. This one, this part we're in, they offer multi-currency, expenses, and project. So expenses capture and manage claims. Project track project time and cost. This two part are applicable in real estate industry, and based on experience, other industry as well, such as coaching industry, because they try to track how much they earn per project, like per location, like per country, something like that. So they usually clearing this established subscription for Xero. So let's proceed for pricing subscription for UK. So we also have starter, standard, and premium. So £10, £24 per month, and £30 per month. So okay, you could see the difference for starter, standard. Actually, it's also the same with the Australia and US subscription. Just a bit of the difference with of course, there's that submit math to HMR for making tax digital, automatic CSCAN calculation reports for the starter. Same thing with the standard. For the starter, they actually just put limit. So since it's a cheaper subscription, they only provide a limit of transaction being coded in Xero. And like standard, there's unlimited limited invoicing and coding, entering bills, and reconciling bank transactions. And then, just like with other countries offer for premium, this one also handle multiple currencies. And same unlimited invoices and codes, enter bills, and limited banking transactions. So same offer, they have optional extras depending on the client needs. So you could just offer those to upgrade if needed. Okay, so actually, this pricing subscription could be you could also find it online. So if you want to read further, you could do so. So yeah, all the plans covers the basic. You can invite people, you can invite team members, and accounting professional anytime you like. So like us, um, the other client get our services, so they will invite us as a user. Okay, then financial performance report, iPhone and Android apps. So, ano bang meaning nito? It means that kasi Xero you can access it anywhere at any time as long as you have internet browser and good internet connection. Um, you can access it anywhere. That's a good thing about Xero. Katulad siya ng QuickBooks Online. As long as you have good internet connection and internet browser, as I said. So no need for installation unlike QuickBooks Desktop. You have to install it and wait for a few hours before you actually use it, and you can only use it for like where you install the system. So ito anywhere and anytime. So get closer to your cash flow, connect to bank accounts, integration with 800 plus apps. 24/7 support included, regular updates included, secure SSL encryption. So protected yung data, it is secure, very secure yung mga banking transactions and banking information during Xero. So since this is just an introduction of what Xero looks like and what are the subscription for Xero and what are the topics to be discussed this week and for the coming weeks. So I just created a flow. So yeah, these are the topics: bank accounts and feeds, invoices and codes, bills, purchase order and expenses, payroll and inventory report and tracking. Contacts and smart list, importing and exporting data, connected apps and services, fixed assets. So learning more about fixed assets and how you could actually monitor your fixed assets, further things to consider in monitoring your fixed assets. So there are tax and filing. So best usually and other reports needed before they actually send it for tax report. Okay, so actually that's it. This is just a very short introduction what Xero is about, and I hope that you were able to grasp what is Xero all about, and you're excited for the coming discussion. So to end this discussion, I have a question for you. So why Xero? And the second question is this is a scenario like if you have a UK client, if this is a scenario for your Australian client, like if the client says, if I don't have payroll but has one bank account and credit card account, what Xero subscription should I use? So if you listened to our discussion a while ago, you should be able to answer this one. And the other one, this for UK client. I have a multiple currency account and pay superannuation for my employees, but Xero subscription should I use? So you should be able to answer that. So yeah, that's it. So watch out for the next discussion, and I hope that you'll continue to participate with the activities and excited for you to learn more about Xero. So there you go. Have a good day. Bye.